Where's it? What letter is this one?
I.
And this one?
And this one.
Oh, it's on that side.
B.
And what's this one?
O.
What happens when you flip it over? What letter is that one?
B.
B. What letter is that one?
D.
Okay, and what about that one?
Q.
Yeah, good job. What about that?
A.
And that one?
D.
Yep. Okay, what about that one?
W.
And that one?
G.
No, it's not G. Which one's that one?
J.
J. Good job.
And this.
And that one?
E.
And on the other side?
R.
R. What is R for?
Cat.
R is not for cat. What's R for?
O. R.
R is for
Woman.
Rowan. Rowan.
E. Mommy.
No, that one's a D. D is for?
Mommy.
No, D is for what?
A mommy.
How about D is for daddy?
A C. Daddy. And the mommy.
Yeah, what's for mommy? M is for mommy?
Is the woman.
Can you sing your ABCs for me?
A, B, C, yellow. B.
You're being silly. Can you sing the ABCs for me?
I'm a W.
You gotta flip them over. The W's hiding on the other side somewhere.
A W.
See, there it is. W. I know it's your favorite letter.
What?
Can you-
B, the W.
Can you sing the ABCs for me?
I'm on the M.
I want you to sing the ABCs for me, please.
M.
It is an M, but can you sing for me?
M. A, B, C, D. Mine.
Keep going. She's not hurting you.
Come. Mom.
It's okay. Oh, that's a bright light. I thought you were going to sing ABCs for me. Okay, now I'm not recording anything because you're on top of me.